Wall kitchen shelves made from metal combine practicality, durability, and a distinct aesthetic that suits a wide range of kitchen styles, from industrial lofts to sleek, modern apartments. Metal shelving addresses many of the functional demands of kitchen environments. It supports heavy cookware and stock pantry items, resists moisture and staining when properly finished, and offers slender profiles that keep sightlines open while maximizing usable storage. Choosing the right metal, finish, mounting system, and complementary materials determines how well a shelf performs over time and how seamlessly it integrates into a cooking space. Material selection is primary. Stainless steel is the most common and often best-performing choice for kitchen shelving. Its corrosion resistance, non-porous surface, and tolerance for frequent cleaning with detergents and disinfectants make it the industry standard in commercial kitchens and a favored option in many homes. Common grades such as 304 handle most indoor kitchen conditions without trouble. 316 is selected for higher corrosion situations, such as coastal homes or environments with elevated humidity or salt exposure. Stainless steel's finish options, brushed, satin, or mirror, affect both appearance and maintenance. Brushed finishes hide fingerprints and small scratches better and suit busy kitchens where daily wear is expected. Carbon steel and mild steel are economical and structurally capable alternatives. Steel allows the fabrication of heavy-duty angle shelves, box sections, and perforated decks that support cast-iron pans and stacked dishware. However, unprotected carbon steel will rust when exposed to steam, salts, or acidic residues, so it commonly receives protective treatments such as hot-dip galvanizing, powder coating, or enamel paint. Hot-dip galvanized shelving is particularly robust for utilitarian or outdoor-adjacent kitchens. Powder coating provides broad color and texture options for residential settings, but may be less tolerant of abrasive cleaning or high heat over long periods than stainless steel. Aluminum offers a different set of advantages: low weight and intrinsic corrosion resistance. It is well suited for lightweight floating shelf designs and for kitchens where minimizing the load on walls matters, such as older buildings with thinner plaster over lath or when long spans are needed without bulky supports. Aluminum extrusions allow elegant profiles with integrated channels for concealed fixings or undershelf lighting. Anodized aluminum provides a durable oxide layer, subtle color choices, and improved surface hardness, making it suitable for visible shelving that requires frequent handling. Designers must account for aluminum's lower stiffness relative to steel by sizing sections to prevent perceptible sag under load. Decorative metals like brass, copper, or bronze are typically used as accents, brackets, rails, or trim, rather than primary load-bearing members. These metals add warmth and character and develop patina over time, which can be an intended aesthetic. Because they can react with acidic foods or cleaning agents and may tarnish, they are often lacquered or placed away from direct food contact. For some homeowners, the evolving patina is desirable. For others, plated or faux brass finishes on steel produce the visual effect with less maintenance. Mounting systems are a technical and aesthetic consideration in kitchens. Anchoring into studs or masonry is the safest method when shelves will carry heavy loads like cast-iron pans or dense food storage. French cleat systems, which use a long interlocking cleat to distribute loads across a continuous horizontal plane, are popular for their strength and relative ease of installation. Rail and bracket systems offer modular adjustability and are useful when shelf heights need to change to accommodate different containers or appliances. Concealed mounting systems that produce floating shelves are highly desired for a minimalist look, but they require internal steel plates or bars welded into the shelf and precise tolerances for secure engagement with wall anchors. Perforated and wire shelves have particular functional advantages in kitchens. Perforations and wire decks permit air circulation and drainage, which helps dry wet items and reduces dust and grease accumulation on a flat surface. Wire shelving, often epoxy-coated or stainless, is standard in commercial kitchens because it facilitates sanitation and keeps stored goods ventilated. Expanded metal or slotted trays provide similar benefits while offering a solid surface with drainage channels, useful for areas where spills occur or where items are intentionally dried. Edge detailing and safety matter because kitchen shelves are used daily and come into contact with hands, dishes, and food. Thin sheet metal edges can be sharp, folded or hemmed edges hide sharpness and stiffen the shelf profile, improving both safety and structural performance. Box section shelves or folded lips increase torsional rigidity and allow longer spans without midspan supports. End caps, extrusion profiles, and welded corner seams can conceal unfinished welds and present a refined surface that won't abrade ceramics or cut fingers. Surface finishes influence longevity and look. Stainless steel requires minimal finishing, but brushed finishes are often preferred for their practical, low-maintenance appearance. Powder coating provides a broad range of colors and textures and protects carbon steel from oxidation. High-quality powder coatings resist chipping and are available in matte and textured finishes that suit modern kitchens. Painted finishes may be acceptable for light-duty shelving, while plated finishes like chrome or nickel are chosen more for decorative shelving than for heavy-use kitchen installations because they can be prone to scratching and require more careful maintenance. Integrating metal shelves with other materials enhances both function and aesthetics. Wooden shelves mounted on metal brackets are a classic combination that balances the cool, clean look of metal with the warmth of wood. Live-edge wood planks atop steel supports offer a striking visual contrast and a tactile surface for displaying serving dishes, though it must be properly sealed to resist moisture and food stains. Stone or quartz slabs provide a luxurious, durable surface for heavy items but demand strong support and secure anchoring. Glass shelves paired with metal supports create an airy, light-filled display but are best reserved for lighter loads and require tempered glass and protective edge detailing for safety. Hygiene considerations make metal especially appropriate in kitchen contexts. Metals with non-porous surfaces, stainless steel, and properly coated steel, are easy to sanitize and tolerate daily cleaning regimes. Rounded corners and minimal horizontal ledges reduce grease and crumbs accumulation. Removable shelf elements can simplify deep cleaning, allowing homeowners to wash parts thoroughly and dry them before remounting. In commercial settings, compliance with industry standards and health codes further narrows material choices towards stainless steel and simple geometries that are easy to disinfect. Load capacity and deflection inform design dimensions and recommended usage. Deeper shelves require more robust support or additional brackets to prevent sag over time. Manufacturers typically publish load ratings or span tables based on material, section shape, and mounting method, information that helps professionals and DIYers plan safe installations. For DIY mountings and hollow walls, using proper toggles or consulting a structural professional for heavy loads is essential to prevent catastrophic failures. Sustainability considerations are increasingly salient. Metals are highly recyclable, and specifying recycled steel or aluminum reduces embodied carbon compared with virgin materials. Designing shelves for disassembly, favoring mechanical fasteners over permanent adhesives, facilitates future repair and recycling. Reclaimed metal and salvaged hardware can lend character and reduce environmental impact, though such materials should be inspected carefully for structural integrity and corrosion before use. Aesthetic trends shape how metal kitchen shelves are used. Industrial and urban kitchens embrace exposed steel, blackened finishes, and visible welds as intentional stylistic elements. Scandinavian and modern designs pair light wood surfaces with white or light gray metal frames for a clean, airy look. Open shelving itself is a design statement. Metal supports allow these displays to be both visually minimal and robust. Integrated LED strips within metal channels are common for undershelf lighting and accent illumination. Metal serves as an effective heat sink for LEDs and conceals wiring neatly. All told, metal wall kitchen shelves offer a compelling blend of strength, hygiene, and design flexibility. Selecting among stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, and decorative metals involves weighing corrosion resistance, weight, cost, and visual finish. Proper mounting, edge detailing, ventilation, and cleanability ensure that metal shelves perform in the challenging kitchen environment while contributing to the space's aesthetic. Whether serving a professional cooking line or providing elegant open storage in a home, well-designed metal shelving solutions are practical, long-lasting, and visually expressive, supporting the many activities that define a kitchen.